Welcome to another episode and video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and the robot operating system, connected serially to a Minicom terminal monitor terminal and with band cable to this breadboard with electronics and some fischertechnik parts from top to bottom, an access motor with propeller, a phototransistor and an LED. Last time I had some problems with packages, and never mind. These packages are, of course, RaspberryPi and the new Mechatronics Pi publisher. Now, the RaspberryPi package has a problem with messages. There are 5 messages in total and 5 customer defined messages, and only one works, despite all efforts, etc. And with the new package there is one message, but it refuses to run for some reason. So in order to try out if things run now, I will first run everything as far as the old package go, to see if all the hardware and the software in the old style works. ROS core is running, so I start the publisher, I start the subscriber, motor works. Now hopefully the same goes for the LED, but I see not that it works. Then the small LED, green LED should work. Yes, it does. That means that this works as well. Very good. Well, and okay, now this one works as well, or should be working anyway. So that means that I can concentrate on why do things not work. And then I am talking about the new package. Since the hardware works, I have to take care of some executables, which is kind of surprising since Python doesn't have an executable. Well, Python itself makes executes a script, but it doesn't work the same as C. C is compile once, run many times. Python is a script and you have to run it each time you want to do it, which can take a long time, but then again it is interpreting each and every instruction again and again. Now, since the new package Mechatronics Pi is not executing, where should I look? A very good question. I didn't find it out last time, so I hope to correct it this time. It's about time, but then again it is about time that the RaspberryPi publisher also uses its messages, and for that I have no solution yet. So let's take a look at the new package and whatever I can do with it or not. And now I have to explain a different setup than in the past. I am using VNC. At the same time, the setup is not the same. This is desktop 1 VNC, this is desktop 2 VNC. Why the difference? Because of the recording. I am using a different microphone. And it is a digital one, but it only works when it is attached to the laptop on which I use VNC, virtual network computing. It would probably work on the Raspberry Pi as well, but that takes too many resources. And advantage for now is that these cameras are no longer connected now to the Raspberry Pi, which means there are a lot more resources available for ROS. So this works faster, and I can edit this better. And you see here that things are actually being done, and question is it set up? No, I have to put it to slope. Alright. On the other hand, what does it matter? Well, the motor is running through the yellow line, the button is with the blue line, the purple line is for the red LED, which should be clear when I press the button and shine. And there you see how it works. Very good. And this line, or this is the underline, and that should work. Yeah, that works a bit better. Now this is nicely working, so I will interrupt and well, run in here in mechatronics, and then we get this one again. Couldn't find executable, and that is weird in itself, because why doesn't it do it? Not executable. That's interesting. So let's go to source. RaspberryPi script, and I need to locate, or more appropriately, I need to find out the properties of RaspberryPi pub, and it says it is executable. Now let's go to source. No, mechatronics scripts, which is not executable, which is strange. So these actually are executable and this one isn't. So that is the point. Now the question is, why isn't it executable? For that I have to go to one level 4. Then let's examine package XML. And yes, here was a difference. So let's go here, go down and see whatever happens. I have build tool, I have build depend, build depend, build depend, build export, not really, and then execute depend instead of run depend. Well, execute is run, but why is this one not executable? So let's go to not less packages, but no, let's do vi here and do less here. No, this one. This says message generation. Here it says the same. Then next thing, a bit different. Files and then the messages. So that's not it. Right, let's continue. Generate messages. Well, that's the same, so that's not a problem. Catkin package. Catkin package. Include is commented out. Then the only line that is not commented out is this one. So what is the difference? Catkin depends, ROS-C, pp, RaspberryPi, standard message runtime. Here I did have a typo last time, but well, that's last time, not now. Include it's the same. Well, let's go further. Where do I find something that is not commented out? And there's the end. And where's the end? I'm already at the end. So how come that when it is so much the same, that it doesn't work? Let me go here. Catkin make. Oh, let's quit this one. Enter. So generate messages. Does it generate an executable somewhere? That is a really good question, and to be honest, I don't know. So let's go here. I don't expect something to, no, not yet. Of course, because I didn't change anything, but the point is, why isn't it executable? And while studying the possibility of an error, which is still not solved, things get a little bit more complicated. Looking in C message list, the only thing that could be wrong is right here, where catkin depends should be uncommented because of catkin package. Well, the reason given on forums is that catkin package should be there. Since I already have RaspberryPi, which executes fine, I do have catkin package. So that is not it. And alright, No, I have to quit this. And another one, quit. Okay. Then let's look at package. And here things start a bit different, because I pointed out to run depend and exec depend. Well, run is exec, but why one, why not the other? And then for some reason also with respect to the forum, which is the ROS answers forum, mind this line and this line. What's the difference? This format 2. And it turns out that with format 2, don't ask me what the difference is, you have to use exec instead of run. Okay, fine. But does that make my problem easier? Does it solve my problem? I do not think so. So I haven't changed anything, which also means that if I say cat can make, whatever is happening, I am not getting suddenly working stuff, because the X is missing here, the letter X. So whatever causes this, I don't know yet, but it's causing the new package not to run, and that's to say the least quite annoying. So yes, this error is very much correct. It's not executable. But the question is why. Oh wait, I can of course change that. No. And then I say owner plus X find again, enter is X. Will it work now? Well, let's find out. Hold on, I need to go here. ROS run. Permission denied. You've got to be kidding me. This is owned by Ubuntu. Fine. And then the scripts also owned by Ubuntu. Why is the permission denied? This is all Ubuntu. This is all Ubuntu. Okay, let's go one directory back. No, I should take this one. Same. So this is getting quite weird now. I added the X and it says no go. So apparently I can't cheat. It, what did I do? Oh, right. Ah, wait. Plus, right. Yes. And what I should do is minus X. Now it's back to where it was, but still not working. How to solve this? Yet again, I don't know. I have now checked several possibilities, including going back to creating a new package in the tutorials, and I am using version kinetic. As you can see, everything is more or less alphabetic. This is my version, and it says exactly what to do, how to do it, and I did all that. Going back here, I also checked the package path. Path is a collection of directories which you always have to see, check, because there are the files you absolutely need. They're the same for my package, my two packages. It's just that. So, since this doesn't work yet, should I risk enabling this one and maybe bold enough to enabling this one as well? Save, save, and perhaps try. So let's do something. Nope. So why is this suddenly going wrong? Oh yes, that is why, because here somehow inadvertently got a Q, which is not nice, which is not needed. So now this is again, photo transistor is missing. Can it be solved by cat can make? Well, nope, it can't. Okay, so I have to comment it again and save, of course, and then I have to be here, run, and there you go. Then going back to ROS run subscriber, and there you go. So the motor runs and stops, the LED burns and stops, and this works again. So in that perspective, nothing has changed. Now for this, it keeps being strange because I can't find where the error is, why it doesn't work. And for now, unfortunately, I have to leave it with that. Next time I'm going to create another package to see if that solves it or gives me with another issue again, because of the fact that the two packages are version 1 and one is version 2, and apparently that causes some confusion or so. I don't know. We'll find out. where to go from here? Good question. So, where does it leave me? Well, as I said, next time I will start over again with something new. See if that works the first time. If not, I'm left with even more questions without an answer. So, right now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Like it, give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter. If you do, retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, like and give a comment. Always appreciate it. Although some people comment in a way that I don't understand it. I can always translate things, but some comments are not really intelligible. I try to do my best in responding and reacting. Please donate to keep videos coming your way. Kindly very much appreciated, and I thank you very kindly. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned depending on your pledge you make. And that is the place where I mention your name, either on my website or on my website, and with the video description box or in the video. Yep, up to you, as always. And this is going to be continued. So, once again, thank you for watching.